Hey guys, welcome into the channel. Keith and I are obviously known for the automotive side of what we do, but every once in a while a guy with a car owns a golf cart, right? You know, if you got an RV, you got to have a golf cart to go around on in the parks or whatever, or you're at a race, you got a golf cart, right? So we've got a nice product today that we want to share with you. It's really easy to set up and install. It is designed for a number of different brands of golf carts specifically. It is Club Car, EZGO, which this is an EZGO right here. Also Drive and Kandi electric golf carts. This is basically a storage bag. It will complete your journey of dreams, apparently they say. And it's really easy to install, like I said, to the fact that it only comes with one sheet of instructions to put it on. So let's get to that. Okay guys, like I said, this thing is so easy to install, and we're gonna do this in this video to show you how quickly. They say 5 minutes installation. It literally is just a bunch of straps, and that's it. It's that simple. If you can buckle your belt or tie your shoes, you should be able to use this thing no problem. Okay, so first of all, let's talk a little bit about its capacity. It says it will hold up to, it's a 158 liter bag. So if you're familiar with backpacks, you get that, right? So just keep that in your mind, because most average backpacks are about, what, a third of that size, I would say, your average backpack. So it's a pretty substantial amount of storage space that you can conveniently add to your golf cart and conveniently take it off when you're not using it. It's waterproof. It has a double zipper on this thing, making it even that much more waterproof and more durable. Let's talk about dimensions on this thing. That equates to, in size, 24 deep by 10.5 high, and lengthwise is about 38 inches. So that's the size of it, and it will fit. It's specifically designed to fit in the area where your back jumper seat is. One thing I want to mention to you guys though, make sure that you look at in the description, we've got a link to the product and we'll have a promo code there for you. So make sure before you get away from this video that you get that information so you can go buy one. Right now, this thing is retailing for under $40. So let's move on to me breaking this thing open and putting it on this golf cart. All right, guys. Just like I said, and I wasn't lying, they're telling you it will complete your journey of dreams. They actually call it that, but I find that quite humorous. So they do say, but before you begin, please read the instructions carefully. So we're gonna go ahead and put this on. Like I said, if I can tie my shoes, if you can tie your shoes, if you can put a belt on, you should be able to install this thing. So let's give it a whirl here, guys. Okay guys, through the process of putting this thing together here, I noticed a couple things that I want to point out to you. Keith also brought up a couple of things. So you got all these different straps here to connect or strap to or fasten to your back area here. And it could be any one of these brackets, whatever's convenient. You're gonna have to play with the slack a little bit to kind of make sure that you get all points connected. So that's kind of a feel around thing for you on whatever golf cart, because remember, this thing is a universal for about 5 different golf carts. So not every single one of them are gonna fit exactly the same. But the key is that what this thing does for you. So remember what I said, it's a really heavy duty zipper, double zipper design. It's waterproof. It has a protective top here, probably UV protection as well. Look at the size of this thing. This is what 158 liters will do for you. And one of the other neat features that I like about it is, if you go out and you camp and stuff, your best friend is Velcro, right? So this thing is loaded with Velcro points so that when you zip this thing shut. And I'll just to show you in a certain area right here, I'm not gonna do the whole thing, but see these Velcro points? If you look at the gauge of this material and the gauge of the zipper, the double zipper, and the fact that you've got a flap that goes over those, you could be in a driving rainstorm and you're probably not gonna leak at all. For under $40, what a solution to carry your charcoal briquettes, to carry your small propane grill, to carry camera gear, just anything like that that's going to be protected from the weather and the sun. You know what? I bet they didn't even think about this. Can you imagine how much ice and beer you could put in this thing? I'm just saying, just a suggestion, all right? Now, so anyway, the brand on this is our brand partner, Kimimoto. They not only make accessories for tons of golf carts, they also make accessories for your motorcycles as well. So make sure you go to our tab on our website at partscounterguru.com and you'll see the show specials tab. You can click on that and click on their link and enter the code that we give you in the description. We're probably gonna have a direct link for this specific product in the description as well, so make sure you check that down there. Can you do us a favor, guys? Please like and subscribe. We do this for fun, but we gotta eat, right? Okay, so until next time, for Keith and myself, take care, thanks for watching.